Few creators reshape the boundary between fiction and reality like Hideo Kojima. A storyteller, a world builder, a visionary who treats every object, every symbol like a thread in a larger tapestry. Now, one of those threads has been pulled into the real world. Introducing the Ring Terminal, a signature piece of gear from Death Stranding 2, worn by characters like Sam Porter Bridges and Fragile. But this isn't just screen-bound design. In a collaboration between Kojima Productions and Hong Kong design studio Anicorn, the Ring Terminal has been reborn as a physical, wearable collectible. Crafted at a 1-to-1 scale, this isn't cosplay, it's mechanical art. Built from 30 micro-engineered parts using brass and stainless steel alloy, every detail is formed through electroforming and 5-axis CNC machining. Its aged patina, achieved through custom electroplating, is designed to evolve over time, mirroring the game's world of weathered, lived-in tech. The ring features an internal gear mechanism, allowing it to adjust seamlessly to US sizes 3 through 15. It's complex, precise, but built to be worn, not just admired. It isn't just jewelry, it's a kinetic sculpture, a conversation between design and storytelling. And in true Kojima fashion, it holds secrets. Embedded within is an NFC chip. Its true purpose? Still ambiguous. Does it unlock content? Serve as a digital ID? Act as a meta key to something we haven't yet discovered? That uncertainty feels intentional. Each ring is housed in bespoke packaging etched with the Bridges insignia, an artifact designed to feel like it's been couriered straight out of the game's universe. Retailing at $240, the Ring Terminal launched on June 26th via Anicorn's store. Shipping begins September 2025. Quantities are limited. Unlike watches or cufflinks, this ring is intimate. Worn on the hand, central to gesture, identity, and connection, it becomes a symbol of the journey, of the burden, of unseen threads that tie us together. It's more than merch, it's a piece of fiction made real. For those who resonate with Death Stranding's haunting, fragile beauty, the Ring Terminal is a totem, a marker in Kojima's long game of mystery and meaning, a whisper from a world just beyond the veil, asking to be touched, worn, and understood, even if its full story is still waiting to be told.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.